Today we will discuss the division algorithm of polynomials. So I told in the beginning we can divide this chapter into three parts, and the final part, the third part, is division algorithm for polynomials. So we start with a 9th standard question. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So how can we do? What will be the first term of the quotient? You can tell. What will be the first term of the quotient?
2x.
2x. So if you write 2x, 2x into x will be 2x square. In such a way you want to think. Okay, which term should be multiplied with x to get the product 2x square? Now another way, you can just simply divide 2x square by x. Okay, so you will get 2x in the as first term in the quotient, and to balance you want to multiply 2x with the 2. Okay, 2x into 2.
4x.
Yes.
4x.
Plus 4x. Okay, plus 4x. Now subtract. So 2x into 2x is 0. 3x minus
0.
4x.
Minus 1x.
Minus 1.
Minus 1x. Minus 1x you can
X.
write minus x. Okay. Then what will be the next term? That term into x should be minus x.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Is that right?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is correct. Okay. Minus 1. Minus 1 into x. What is the product? Minus x, right? So it should be minus 1 as the second term of the quotient. And now if you subtract, what will you get?
0 plus 3.
0. Simply 0. Okay. Sorry, there's a small error. I forgot to write this plus 1 down. Okay. So this plus 1 you have to write down here. Okay. And to balance, you want to multiply minus 1 with the 2. Minus 1 into 2 is? Minus 1 into 2 is?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Now subtract. 1 minus 2. 1 minus
3 plus 3. 0 plus
3. Okay. So here we can stop because the degree of this term is 1 less than the degree of the divisor. Now here we can stop. Did you get the same answer? 2x minus 1 as the quotient and 3 as remainder?
Yes.
Okay. And here there is some relation between divisor, divide, and quotient and the remainder. You know that relation?
A equal to BQ plus R.
A is equal to BQ plus R. Very good. A is equal to A means what?
2x square plus 3x plus 1.
Okay, so better I shall write like this. Okay. Okay, dividend is equal to, you know there is this relation, divisor into quotient
plus remainder.
Plus remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, so this relation, we will come to this. So in any division, you can say this relation holds. Okay, so here 2x minus 1 is the quotient and x plus 2 is the divisor, and 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is the dividend, and the 3 is the remainder. And if you multiply the divisor is x plus 2 with the quotient is 2x minus 1, then if you add 3, you will get the dividend is this one. So we don't check right now, it's very simple. If you multiply this 2 and if you add 3, you will definitely get the dividend. It's in any number. Suppose we divide 12 by we divide 12 by 5. You know the quotient is 2 and remainder is 2. So the relation we can write as 12 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2. Okay, so 12 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor, and 1 quotient and remainder is also 2. Okay, so come back, one more question. Okay, Question is like this: divide 3x cubed plus x square plus 2x plus 5. I don't have to write now, so I shall show the answer. I shall explain from the picture. Okay, so here we want to divide 3x cubed plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. A third degree polynomial dividing by a second degree polynomial. So you can follow the same steps, same way. What term should be multiplied with x square to get 3x cubed? So the answer is 3x. 3x into x square will give you 3x cubed. So the first term of the quotient will be 3x. So 3x into x square, you will get 3x cubed. Then to balance, you want to multiply the second and third terms of the divisor with 3x. So 3x into 2x is plus 6x square, and 3x into plus 1 is plus 3x. Okay, then you will draw a line and you will subtract. So first term will be 0, then x square minus 6x square. X square minus 6x square. What will be minus 5x square, right?
5x square.
Yes, minus 5x square. Then 2x minus 3x. 2x minus 3x will be minus x.
Minus.
Yes, and the next term plus 5 you write down. Write down the plus 5. Okay. Then you want to find out the second term of the quotient, such a way that that term into first term of the divisor, you have to get the product as minus 5x square. So what is the choice? What's the choice? Choice is minus 5. So minus 5 into x square, you will get a minus 5x square. Okay? So to balance, you also need to multiply the second and third term of the divisor with the minus 5. So minus 5 into 2x will be minus 10x, and minus 5 into 1 will be minus 5. Now subtract. So first term will be 0, then minus x minus 10x. Two negatives will become positive, so it will become 9x. Then plus 5 minus 10, minus 5. So two negatives will become positive, so 5 plus 5 is 10. So now look the degree of this term, 9x plus 10. The degree of this polynomial is 1. That is 1 less than the degree of the divisor. So if degree is 1 less than the divisor, you can stop there. This will be the remainder. Okay. So here divide and divisor, quotient and the remainder. You can write the same relation here also. You can write a 3x cubed plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 and plus 9x plus 10. Okay, so now we will see what's the division algorithm. That relation I just explained now is called the division algorithm of polynomials. Okay, so division algorithm you can see here. Suppose two polynomials p of x and g of x. So we give names for the polynomials. There can be any second degree or third degree, any. Okay, so p of x and g of x are two polynomials. We want to divide p of x with g of x. So definitely we will get a quotient. We will also get a remainder. If there is no remainder, we can assume that the remainder is 0. Okay, so here suppose p of x and q of x are two polynomials. We want to divide p of x with g of x. The quotient will be again a polynomial we can name as q of x, and remainder we can name as r of x. It can be a constant, no problem. Okay, then this relation we can write like this, right? P of x is equal to, that is the dividend is equal to divisor. We divide by g of x, right? So here divisor, in the place of divisor it will be g of x into quotient. We give name quotient as q of x. So g of x into q of x plus r of x is the remainder. So same relation you can, for polynomials we can call like this, and this is called the division algorithm for polynomials. So for polynomials we want to give names of polynomials. We give names of polynomials like p of x, g of x, t of x, r of x, etc. So here not numbers but polynomials. So if you divide p of x by g of x, suppose the quotient is q of x and the remainder is r of x, we can write the relation of divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder like this. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. And here the g of x cannot be 0. G of x can't be a 0 polynomial. What will happen if g of x is equal to 0? So g of x into q of x will be this will be 0, and it can be possible. Okay, the degree of the remainder, just before I told, degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. Degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. I will come to examples. Okay, I suppose 12 divided by 5. You will get 2 as quotient and 2 as remainder. So we can write this relation 12 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For any numbers, for any real numbers, suppose number A is divided by number B. Suppose quotient is Q and remainder, suppose it is R. We can write this relation as A is equal to B into Q plus R for real numbers. And B cannot be 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. Okay. So this here what we study, this relation also holds for polynomials. This is true for real numbers, right? If you divide a number by another number, you will get a quotient and remainder. Then we can write the relation between the quotient and the remainder and the divisor and the dividend as a dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. A same relation holds for polynomial also. And for polynomials, we say that the relation as division algorithm. And here we cannot represent polynomials with alphabets. So how we give names? We give names for polynomials as p of x, q of x, t of x, r of x. So we simply give the quotient. So for in this example, I have written here. So here dividend is 2x square. I shall complete this sentence here. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is the dividend. So dividend is equal to divisor is x plus 2, that into quotient is 2x minus 1, then plus 3. So plus 3 is the remainder. Okay. So this also holds for polynomials. So suppose we give names. Suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that's the dividend. We give name as p of x, and the quotient we give name as g of x, and the quotient we can name as q of x, and remainder of r of x. So in short, we can write as p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, and this is called the division algorithm for polynomials. If you take any polynomial p of x, if you divide with the g of x, you will get a quotient q of x and a remainder r of x. And the relation between this quotient, remainder, and divisor, everything is like this: p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. And this relation is called the division algorithm. You can check it in any example. So suppose this example, you take this example. We can multiply these two and we will add plus 3. And we will check whether we get 2x square plus 3x plus 1 or not. Okay. So I shall write here. So x plus 2 into 2x minus 1. Then plus 3 is also here. So how can we multiply this? X into 2x first. X into 2x. What is x?
2x square
2x square. Then x into minus 1. What is x into minus 1?
minus x
Minus
square
x.
Minus x. Then 2 into 2x. What is 2 into 2x?
4x.
4x
4x. Then 2 into minus 1. What is 2 into
minus 2
2.
minus 2? Then minus 2. Yes. Then also plus 3 is here. Now add like terms. So next step, 2x square. There is no other 2x square term. Then x term. There are 2 x terms. So add x term. Minus x plus 4x.
3x.
plus 3x
Plus 3x. Then minus 2 plus 3. Constant terms add.
plus 1
Plus
What is
1.
this is our dividend, right? Okay. So if you multiply the quotient and the divisor, and then if you add a remainder, you will get the dividend. And this relation, you know that this relation holds for real numbers. And now we extend this to polynomials. For polynomial also, this relation holds, and we simply give some name as division algorithm. Only that. Okay. So division algorithm means if for two polynomials p of x and g of x, g of x not equal to 0, then we can find a polynomials q of x as quotient and r of x as a remainder. Then we can write the relation between these four as p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. And this is called the division algorithm for polynomials.